Assumption at ang ginugunita natin ngayon, ang Queenship of Mary. Ang Assumption at Immaculate Conception ay mga dogma tungkol sa ating inang Birhen, Maria. Wala pong bahid na kasalanan si Maria. Immaculately conceived. Kaya di na niya kailangan dumaan pa sa kamatayan bagkos she was assumed into heaven, body and soul. Assumption. At si Maria bilang ina ni Jesus na hari ay kinoronahan bilang reyna ng langit at lupa at nasa tabi ng kanyang anak. Nakikinig sa ating mga panalangin. Tuloy-tuloy ang misyon na akayin tayo patungo sa kanyang anak na si Jesus.
Who follows the trials declarations of the dogmas of the Assumptions in 1950 was followed by his declarations of Mary's queenship in 1954.
Okay, last Friday, episode 49, ay pinamagatang Mama Mary, the Timeless Influencer. Ngayong hapon, episode 50, ay napaka-special na episode dahil ito ay ang aming
First year anniversary!
1 year na po ang Usapang Bokasyon ACI.
Maray na hapon sa Giraray. Magandang hapon po. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Sister Net po ako and shout out sa lahat ng ating mga ACI sisters, ACI family and friends from across the globe na nagtulong-tulong na buuin ang programa ngayong hapon sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga videos. Shout out sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Usapang Bokasyon, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga pamilya at mga kamandahan at mga ACI family and friends. Yan po.
Marami po tayong mga panauwing saka po ito sa video nga lang, pero sobrang pinaghandaang mabuti ng mga kapatid naming ACI sisters at mga kaibigan, di lang dito sa Pilipinas, but sa iba't ibang lugar sa mundo.
May 3 parte po ang ating programa ngayon. Yung ating mga videos po natin sa 3 parte.
The first part we will getting to know our different Asian communities here and abroad. We will also watch the well-prepared videos of Vietnam.
Ang pangalawang parte po ay mga videos na nag-share kung anong favorite episode nila sa 49 episodes na nabuo ng Usapang Bokasyon ACI sa loob ng 1 taon.
At ang pangatlo ay mga pagbati mula sa iba't ibang
Grupo
o individuals.
Yan. So, roll DTR.
We, the Handmaids of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, or ACI Sisters, in 5 words.
Eucharist. Jesus Christ is alive and is the center of our life. We announce His presence, adoring Him, and placing Him before the people for adoration. Contemplating Him in the Eucharist, we learn from Him to give our life to the end.
Reparation. In a world wounded and divided by violence and indifference, we work for communion and the reconciliation of all men and women among ourselves, with God and with all creation.
Evangelization. We desire that all know and love Jesus and sent by community, and we learn for the education and the promotion of success in love in whatever mission and country which we find ourselves.
The spirituality of Saint Ignatius of Loyola is at the base of our institute, helping us to discover God in all things, so that we may know Him and serve Him in every place and circumstance.
Heart, contemplating the open heart of Christ. You learn to look at the Word with mercy, at the look of others with a heart, accepting them, forgiving them, and helping them to begin again.
Come and see me and his high sister. Happy first year anniversary. Usapang bukasyon, ACI.
Hi! Happy anniversary! Usapang Bukasyon, ACI Year 1. Congratulations from Romblon Romblon! Yay! God bless!
Welcome to the Holy State in Vietnam.
my gospel within. Come and see!
Hello, I am Sister Feda of the Handmaids of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, ACI, missionary from Indonesia. Greeting Usapang Bukasyon Season 1, a happy anniversary. Congratulations!
Usapang Bukasyon on fire, nakaka-inspire. 1 year on air, DCGB Usapang Bukasyon ACI, 1 to 2 p.m. Fridays. Happy anniversary!
Happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI. We unite you in thanking God for the gift of this ministry, helping people in their vocation and to deepen their love and faith in Jesus. Yung isang taon po madaling isipin, pero to realize the 50 episodes na nabuo sa isang taon, sobra po nakakataba ng puso. And I hope mas marami po ang magtangkilik ng ating program para mas marami po ang makilala kay Jesus. Once again, happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI.
Happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI!
Happy first anniversary, ACI Usapang Bukasyon. United in prayer for more vocation to religious life. Mabuhay ACI! Happy Feast of Friendship of Mama Mary!
Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1. Greetings from Basatete Community, Timor-Leste.
Happy first anniversary, ACI Usapang Bukasyon!
United in prayer for more vocation to religious life.
Mabuhay ACI! Happy Feast Day of Friendship of Mama Mary!
Hello everyone, Sister Mitch po. It has been a year now since the launching of Usapang Bukasyon ACI. And every episode is worth watching because it tackles the different vocations and it is not limited to that. But most importantly, every episode is a real story, real experience of how God works in every person's life, from the smallest to the biggest ones, because God is present in our life all the time. Usapang Bukasyon ACI is for everyone, for all ages, for all generations. So let us continue to support Usapang Bukasyon ACI. Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1!
Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1!
Hello, ako po si Sister Jerry ng Handmaids of the Sacred Heart of Jesus or ACI Sister. Ako po ay Filipinang madre na naka-assign ngayon sa Santa Rafaela Maria School of Quezon City. Ito po ay isang private Catholic school na 50 years na nagbibigay ng edukasyon para sa mga preschool children. Dito po ako ay isang guro, kalaro at tagapakinig. Isa sa mga gusto ko sa Santa Rafaela Maria School, maliban sa pagsiguro na mabigyan ng kabataan ng dekalidad na edukasyon, ay ang pagpapahalaga at pagpapalaganap ng ating pananampalataya. Nag-enjoy ako tuwing naririnig ko yung mga batang nakikipag-usap kay Jesus every single day sa Blessed Sacrament at marinig silang umaawit. Sa murang edad, nalaman na nila na meron palang Diyos at itong Diyos na to ay mahal ako. At ito rin yung dinadala namin sa pamilya nila, sa mga magulang nila, sa guro at sa aming mga staff. Pangarap namin na sa 1, 2 o 3 taon nilang pananatili dito sa aming paaralan,
Sana makatulong kami na mapatibay pa ang kanilang pagmamahalan, pagsasamahan bilang pamilya dahil nakasentro ito kay Kristo. Kaya pangarap namin, sana lumawak o lumaki pa ang aming komunidad upang mas maraming bata pa, magulang, pamilya at guro ang maabot. Kasi sabi nga ni Santa Rafaela, yung bawat patak ng dugo ni Kristo ay hindi lang para sa isa, kundi para sa lahat. Kaya kung hanggat maaari, maabot natin ang mas maraming tao. At kailangan namin ng mga kasama bilang mga madre, bilang mga guro. So, sa mga kabataan na nagnanais paglingkuran ng Diyos at naghahanap ng kabuluhan sa buhay, sana you consider the ACI sister.
You add. Let's add. Wow, nice. I like it. Wow, pink. Orange. What's stick? Wow.
And I am in my first year junior as a sister. So, as junior sister, my first mission is to study. I am in my first year college at St. Joseph College, and I am taking special needs children. And my second mission is to take care of my apostolate. So I accompany youth. So I am with another sister, Sister E.B. So we accompany the youth in deepening their faith through music. So we have choir practice and we used to sing at the St. Rafaela Mary Chapel. And also we have Bible sharing with them. So being with them for choir practice or for our Bible sharing is very helpful for them because it's helping them and also us to be ready for the mission. And
Busy, halika. Sige, pag-game tayo. Dito sa loob. Ito, picture. pwedeng ang calling sa pagmadre, sa pagpare, o pagkakasawa, o kaya single blessedness. So yun yung mga calling. O kayo, may calling ba kayo?
Sister, kasali mo ba yung calling mo lang sa church, yung handing for the altar?
Oo, yung kasama.
Paano pa po yung nasa sa church na yan?
Oo, concert calling din yun. So may iba pa pang calling sa inyo. Ano pa yung panangalan nyo sa inyo? So, pakinggan nyo yung sarili nyo, laging may calling ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Kung gusto nyo na mas naintindihan nyo yung calling sa inyo, meron kami program sa radio station, yung Usapang Bukasyon ACI. O kung di nyo sila sundan, click nyo lang sa YouTube. O Usapang Bukasyon, episode 1 hanggang sa ngayon. So masusubaybayan nyo yan, makakatulungan sa inyo. Sa ngayon, anniversary. So kailangan natin silang batiin na sabay-sabay. Sa ulo natin, Happy Anniversary!
Happy anniversary! Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1! Congratulations! Buong kadayon sa misyon!
After all, Eucharist means thanksgiving. When service becomes an overflow of a grateful heart, that is life. Thank you, dear Santa Rafaela.
Hello and good day to everyone. Ako si Aurelia Buitre na isa sa naging guest ng Usapang Bukasyon. Napili ko po ang episode 30 the hidden power of prayer. Why? Because prayer works, no doubt about it. At inaanyayahan ko rin po kayong lahat na manood ng mga seryeng ito. Every Friday at 1 o'clock. Iba-iba po ang kanilang mga guests, mga pari at madre na galing pa sa kung saang lugar ng Pilipinas. Marami po kayong matutunan at mag-i-enjoy kayo. Marami din pong lay. Maari pong kilala nyo na rin sila. Isa po akong masugid na tagatangkilik ng usapang ito, Usapang Bukasyon. Congratulations and happy anniversary to Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1.
By the way po, ako po si Cecil from Michigan, ang tanging taga-kinig sa Usapang Bukasyon. Hi, Sis Net. Love you.
Hello po! I am Amabel Mancha from Bohol. My favorite Usapang Bukasyon ACI episode is episode 27, Love is More Than. Because in that episode, I was reminded how much I am loved and how I love.
Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1!
Hello ACI fam! Happy first anniversary sa ating Usapang Bukasyon. My favorite episode was episode number 44, The Search for MUPH, not just because I was there, but because I was able to share my story as a searchee na puno ng kagalakan with the help and the guidance of our ACI sisters. So please continue on watching and supporting our Usapang Bukasyon every Friday at 1 p.m. sa DZGB. God bless us all and happy anniversary!
Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kuya Mar Paclarin, ACI family member ng Tandang Sora, Quezon City Community. Ang isa sa pinakanagustuhan ko o paborito kong episode ng Usapang Bukasyon ACI ay ang episode 25 na isinihim papawid noong February 14, 2025. Dito sa episode na ito ay narinig ko kung paano ang mapagmahal na Diyos ay kumilos sa bawat isa sa mga panauhin at kung paano ang kanilang pag-ibig sa Diyos ay naging instrumento upang mapagtagumpayan nila ang kanilang bukasyon na napili nila sa kanilang buhay. Mula po sa aking puso, ako'y bumabati po sa Handmaids of the Sacred Heart of Jesus o ACI Sisters sa unang taong anibersaryo ng Usapang Bukasyon ACI. Sumaatin po ang Panginoon.
Good evening. I'm Mrs. Lima Sabia, an ACI family member. I love to watch the program Usapang Bukasyon every Friday, conducted by Sister Net, Sister Jessie, and Sister Martha. The episode I like best is episode 49, Mama Mary, the Timeless Enforcer. I like this episode because Mary is full of grace and power because the Mother of God, and also full of love and mercy because our Mother. So goes the saying, to Jesus through Mary. She brings us closer to Jesus to love and serve Him always. Happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon. Thank you and good night.
Siguro, one of my favorite episodes would be episode 38, entitled Youth Power, Game Changers. Because it was my very first time being invited to talk on an online usapan with Sister Net, Sister Jessie, and Sister Martha as the host. Our talk focused on the 2025 midterm elections, where a record-breaking number of registered voters participating are luckily under the youth sector. And being able to speak on behalf of our fellow youth, the unseen and the unheard, is such a blessing. how our personal experiences as youth volunteers in our very own schools and parishes shape us to be better agents of change for our nation. Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Sisters Year 1.
Happy first anniversary po sa Usapang Bukasyon.
Happy anniversary po sa inyo. God bless you all.
Happy first anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI! Love from Cavite State University College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, San Jose Campus! Happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI! Congratulations and more buhay!
Happy first year anniversary, Usapang Bakasyon ACI from Kuya Jude, Shea, Lucas.
Halin po sa San Francisco Javier, Ilisang Lawi Goa. Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI Year 1.
From Monterey College Faculty and Staff, happy first anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI! Happy first anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI! From Monterey College to Bicol, Bohol.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy anniversary to the Usapang Bukasyon Year 1 ACI. To Sister Ned, Sister Jessie, and Sister Hang. Thank you for giving us time with your show. I wish you more success, and you're giving a lot of help, especially to the youth. And the most fruitful episode for me that I have watched so far is the episodes about Mama Mary. Mama Mary is my stronghold in my family. To those who are out of time zone, please watch Usapang Bukasyon through DCGB online. Usapang Bukasyon. You can replay it. Again, happy anniversary.
From Mother Salutis College Seminary, happy first anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon ACI!
Yusimaghay na aldaw sa inyong mga tugang. Saro ako sa mga naghinanyog kang Usapang Bukasyon na itinatawag kang ACI Sisters na sina Sister Jessie, Sister Net, and Sister Martha. Duman sa mga naging bisita ninda, ang naka-attract sa kuya or naka-touch sa kuya bilang parent, so pig-share ni Father James about parenting. According to him, there are 3 C's na importante sa parenting. And number 1 is controlling sa edad na 3 hanggang 8 years old. Kumbaga, sa panahon na iyan, kinokontrolan ta kung anong itataw-ta sindang librong babasahon ninda o madadawag na istorya o ipapahiling na movie. Kontrolado ta ang gabos na gawit kang akita. Then, pag-abot naman sa 9 to 10 years, yaon dyan ang coaching. Siyempre, ang mga aki, baga sa panahon na ini, may sabi rin ang pag-isip. Kaya, yaon dyan ang gagabayan kasinda kung paano ang marhay na gawin ni sarong Kristiyano sa pakikipagbarkada, sa paghampang sa mga problema na dala sa edad na iyan. Kumbaga yaon kita dyan sa pag-coach sa inda. Gagabayan, tutukluan kung ano ang nararapat ayon sa kagustuhan ng mahal na Diyos. Bako sa kagustuhan nila o kang tawo. Then, sunod naman na si iyo ang ultimo na tig-apod ni Father James na consulting. Ini minaabot sa mga panahon na anaki baga nag-abot na sa maturity age, may trabaho na, umay sa diri ng pamilya. Siyempre may panahon na nagkakaigosib ng problema, masumbong sa magurang, then kuminsan bakit ang mga magurang aggressive na lalo kung kakita yung lado. Sa panahon na ini-importante ang listening. Kumbaga, dadawgon ka mo na ang problema kang akita, then pag-aadalan ang problema, then we come up with a decision or a solution na rooted again to the will of God. So, yan ang tulong guide sa parenting according to Father James. Kaya sa mga magurang niya na panahon, makikitang marami na panalwingan sa itong mga kaakian. Happy Anniversary ACI Usapang Bokasyon Year 1.
Hello sisters! Congratulations on Usapang Bokasyon ACI on your first year anniversary. Keep up the good works. God bless you all.
Bokasyon ACI. Clap your hands.
Yay!
Pagigugma ko kanimo murag tambot suga aso-aso. Pagigugma ko kanimo busog kaayo ka buto-buto.
From Monterey College Dance Company, happy first anniversary! Usapang Bokasyon ACI!
Our dear friends, please always watch Usapang Bokasyon ACI every Friday at 3 p.m. through DCGP Networks. Happy anniversary, sisters! Usapang Bokasyon ACI on your first year anniversary. Sana magtagal pa itong proyekto nyo, sisters. Good luck! God bless!
Congratulations, sisters, on your first year anniversary on Usapang Bokasyon ACI program. May you have more years to celebrate. Good luck. God bless.
Good day, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to the program Usapang Bokasyon ACI on its first anniversary. This program has truly been a blessing and inspiration to many, myself included. I am Maria Dina Mordicano, a mother of 6 and a grandmother of 2.
And I am Maria Hanafe Amorticano, a PWD and a student.
One episode that touched me deeply was Nanay. In this episode, Sister Lola Stan, together with the host, Sister Ned, Sister Jessie, and Sister Martha, talk about mothers, the way they were raised, the values they received, and the faith that continues to guide them today. I chose this episode because it speaks to me not just as a daughter, but as a mother as well. As a mother, I know I am not perfect. There are days I feel I fall short. But this episode reminded me that motherhood is not about perfection. It is about love, presence, and guiding our children with the right values. Even in our imperfections, we can show faith, hope, and strength. This speaks deeply to me, especially as I raise my daughter Hannah, who is a PWD. She is my inspiration, and she constantly teaches me patience, compassion, and unconditional love. I was also reminded of my own mother, who taught me the greatest treasure I carry with me, my faith in God. She showed me through her words and actions that faith is not just something we keep in our hearts, but something we live out. That same faith has helped me through my own journey of motherhood, and it is what I now try to pass on to my children. Allow us to sing a song for Santa Rafaela, lyrics by Sister Nat, music by my daughter Mecca.
Thank you, dear Santa Rafaela. I know how much you always love us. Thank you for witnessing God brings your love to you of this generation. Thank you, dear Santa Rafaela.
Happy first anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon, ACI!
Sometimes, the biggest question of life begins with a quiet prayer. Lord, what do you want me to do? When we dare to ask, God answers not with fear, but with hope, not with confusion, but with light. His call is an invitation to discover who we truly are and the purpose He lovingly designed for us. Find encouragement, guidance, and inspiration in Usapang Bukasyon by the ACI Sisters. Catch us every Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. on DZGB, where every heartbeat is calling, every story is a light, and every yes become a gift to the world. Happy anniversary, Usapang Bukasyon, ACI Sisters, Year 1.
Hello po, ako ay si Lolo John de la Serna.
At kami ang Pamilya de la Serna.
Ano ba ang paborito nating episode?
Lahat, syempre. Kaya kada Biyernes, nanonood kami ng Usapang Bukasyon, lalong-lalo na
Nandiyan ang bunso kong anak na si Sister Nate.
Congratulations sa Usapang Bukasyon Year 1!
Welcome to Santa Rafaela Maria Students Home.
Every day I sing to you with all my heart. Hear my prayer, I raise them all into your hands.
Come to me and keep me safe in your arms. Strengthen me to face the day, for you I stand.
Even if the sadness stay with me, and fill me with your joy endlessly.
Lord, help me understand to your commands. I entrust my life into your care. My Lord, fill me with your love, fill me with your truth, fill me with your kindness. My Lord, let your goodness shine, let me speak your truth, let me be the bearer of your love.
Every day, let me proclaim and testify in your word. Show me your way, for you are light.
You alone can bring all wonders in this life. Heal all wounds and take all worries I hide.
Even if there's darkness, stay with me.
And in your hands I hold faithfully. Lord, fill your grace inside. Grant me what you desire. I raise all my voice, Lord, sing praise me. My Lord, fill me with your love, fill me with your truth, fill me with your kindness. My Lord, let your goodness shine, let me speak your truth, let me be the bearer of your
Fill me with your kindness.
My Lord, let your goodness shine, let me speak your truth, let me be the bearer of your love.
Let me speak your truth. Let me be the bearer of your love. My Lord, fill me with your love, fill me with your truth, fill me with your kindness. My Lord, let your goodness shine, let me speak your truth.
Trying to be a blessing to others, being there for them and simply being grateful for everything. After all, Eucharist means thanksgiving. When service becomes an overflow of a grateful heart, that is life. Thank you, dear Santa Rafaela. I know how much you always love us. Thank you for witnessing a good Christian life to the youth. of this generation.